Hi friends, I'm here to open up entry number 1 and entry number 2 of my summer giveaway. I will leave this here so you can check out the details while we get going. So I have 2 entries, and instead of doing separate videos, I thought I'd do these 2 together. So the first one here is from Dana Willman, and Dana lives in Dalton, Georgia. So thank you, Dana, so much for entering my giveaway. I love the little envelope you did. And got a card in here. Oh, sweet. Oh, look at this cute card. So let's see. It says, "Hi, Sandy. I'm sending my entry for the summer giveaway and to say hello. I joined your Patreon group this month." Well, yes, that is true, Dana. Thank you. "I'm looking forward to getting to know you through your crafts. I used the technique you used in the Recreate video, the glue and the tissue paper on a plastic bag." Okay, so the faux rice paper, yes, to create the background for this tag, and I loved how it turned out. I love how it turned out too. So cute. And a little bit about her. So she's a former school teacher, and she lives in a medium-sized town in Georgia, and we're known as the carpet capital of the world. And I actually did know that, because back in the day, that was like, you wanted to make sure your carpet came from Dalton. She's married, has a 30-year-old son, and she spends her days crafting and reading, enjoying her little slice of heaven. That sounds wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing your talent. Oh, that is so sweet. And I love that you got a little pocket in here as well. Ooh, the back is pretty. Seize the day. That is so cute. I love this kind of vintagey little pocket here, and you did such a good job on that technique. That is so cute. So I'm going to put this on the ring here. This is so cute. This will be fun. And I'm going to hang this up on my pegboard so I can flip through it. So I'm going to put this on here. So this is one I created, and what I want to do is I'm going to shrink this down and turn it into a tag shape and have that be the first one there. And then I'll have to put this in my planner so I can, you know, keep any of the extras and stuff. So thank you so much, and good luck to you, Dana. So entry number 2 is Dawn E.B. And Dawn is from Redmond, Oregon. Yes, I remember that. So she entered my last giveaway, and she's got a little note here as well. And this tag is stunning. Let's see. "Hi, Sandy. I hope you enjoy the tag I made. This was fun, and I can't wait to see all the tags you receive. Thanks for doing this challenge. Blessings, Dawn." Well, thank you. This is so pretty. I love this. I love the little bitty bling in here. "Be still and know that I am God." Oh, so pretty. And I love all those colors. Oh, and I'm so glad, oops, sorry. I'm so glad you put your info on the back too. Very cute. All right, let's put this on here. And that's a good idea. I'll have to put Dana's info on her tag so we can keep track of those. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so cute. Look already. It's looking so cute. So cute. All right. Well, I have a full video on how to enter if you want any further details. But all you got to do is send me a tag, and you're entered. And I will be picking an entry at the end of August. So probably like the 31st of August. And you'll have a chance to win $40 or $25. And so Dana and Dawn, I will send you all some tags and some little happy mail. So keep an eye out for that. And yeah, I told y'all it was going to be a short video, but this is so fun. I love getting happy mail, and this is, oh, I love these tags. So cute. All right, guys, I'll see y'all in the next video. And if you haven't entered, send your tag in. What are you waiting for? You can get some happy mail and a chance to win $40 or $25. And that's awesome. All right. See y'all later. Bye.